Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used 2023 model Peugeot 2008 Allure, complemented in the vibrant Vertigo Blue paintwork. Housing your 1.2 PureTech petrol engine and manual transmission, this is an ideal, stylish and nippy city upgrade with plenty of top features to help you out on those open roads, including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights, added protection from your power folding and contrasting wing mirrors, sitting comfortably on your 17-inch alloys, and even further protection with your parking sensors and camera system. The 434-litre boot capacity is ideal for storing travel essentials, whilst the part leather upholstery offers comfort and style with your fitted ISOFIX points and central power outlets in the rear, followed in the front by your multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and again the luxury of a part leather upholstery. Followed on the steering wheel in further detail by an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your cockpit display with an eco driving mode for further efficiency, and the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have your mirror screen connectivity for further convenience on the go, alongside a wide selection of radio stations to stay endlessly entertained. You do also have your on-screen navigation system to help you in those unfamiliar areas, alongside the added protection of your ADAS system, and as previously shown, you do also have the activation of your sensors and a 180-degree reversing camera, easily guiding you into those tricky parking spots. And of course, you do have your on-screen climate control options with further driving functions located just below, alongside your handy power outlets, cup holders and storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.